Hello, I am Ariovid and today I will show you how to unlock Eden in the Binding of Isaac the Repentance. So, start with this Eden and I will tell you something more about Eden. Eden is mysterious character. Their stats aren't fixed as everything about Eden, including their hairstyle, is randomly generated at the start of run. Eden can spawn with anything from 3 red hearts to single soul hearts, and all of their stats can be both exceptional and terrible. So he has always random stats in every other run. Okay, how to unlock Eden? To unlock them, player must complete the womb, meaning they must defeat Mom's Heart for the first time, although this technically requires beating the final boss. The singular requirement makes Eden one of the easier characters to unlock. Okay, and that's all, my friends. So thanks for watching. You have also gameplay here with Eden. In the background is music. Anti-Beard soundtrack. I recommend you. Wait a second. I give something. Oh, so cool. I don't know what it is. Wait. Okay, football. Okay. I give something yet. Wait. Last the thing. I won't give this. Okay. More tears. Nice. Okay. So fight. Okay, let's go. Let's go to boss. Okay. Speedrun. So big this room is. You know. No, original music is kaput. But it's so stupid. What a bullshit. Oh, I will show you something. Okay, you are lost, and here you get a knife. This knife 1 to get boss mom. Okay. And here you get this knife. Wait. Okay. Yes, peace knife. No, I will show you how to get it. Okay, so interesting. Let's go. Here is boss room, and what has happened? Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Oh. What a shit. Okay, I end this game because I'm front with. And what a shit. Maybe now. Wait. Maybe. I don't understand. Shit. Okay. No thanks. Bye bye. And thanks for watching. See you next time.